Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Monday, and the date is the 4th of October 2021. We learned all about ecosystems and the environment. Who can tell me what do you know about them? Remember? What are ecosystems, ya Khalid?
Yes.
Ecosystem have what?
Ecosystem have animals
Yes, animals. So living thing and
and
what?
plants,
Plants, also living things.
rocks,
Only living
and
things?
Most ecosystem living things and not living things.
Excellent. All together in one area, or they need each other?
rocks. Rocks is not
In one area.
Ya Khalid, excellent. Hi, ya Faris.
Yeah.
Do they need each other?
Yeah.
Yes. So when they depend on each other for living, definitely it's an ecosystem. Well done.
Like the soil.
Yes. Tell me, ya Faris.
Like the soil.
The soil, it's non-living, excellent. And Khalid said the rocks are non-living. Thank you, Khalid. Thank you, Faris. Excellent, boys.
And the plant.
What about the space that a living thing lives in? What do we call this space? Raise your hand. Hi, Umar. What do you think? The space.
The space is non-living.
No, Habibi. There is a name for the space that an animal lives in or any living things lives in. Do we call it a house or what?
community.
Hi, Ahmad. No, it's not community. Don't listen to Khalid. Huh?
It is earth. It is earth.
The space where an animal lives in or anything, any living thing.
Solar system.
Yeah. This is not correct. Remember the houses?
I remember. Habitat.
Excellent. Yes, it's a habitat. Well done. So the space where animals lives in or any living things lives in, we call it habitat. When you talk only about the space, excellent. Okay, what if there is one type in one group? What do we call it? One type in one group. Only group.
Community.
Only group of lions. Only group of lions.
Population.
Excellent, ya Riyan. Population. What about group of different types of animals?
Community.
Community, because they are, yes, finally, ya Khalid. Community means what, ya Khalid?
Community means animals together.
Group of
Different type or one type?
Group of animals.
Many types.
Different types.
Excellent. Okay, if there's only one living thing, what do you call this living thing?
Pollination.
Pollination is something related to plants. Only one living thing. Only one living thing.
Organism.
Excellent. Okay, and we learned all the ecosystems. We learned ecosystems on the mountains, in the deserts, on the ocean, also the river, the grassland. Now, how about we open to page 160 and let's do the exercises together. Are you ready? It is 160, boys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it together. I need you to match the line between the picture and the correct sentence. Okay? Which picture matches the sentence? Let's try number one, Iyad. Let's try number one.
Which page?
160. It's here, Habibi. Can you see it?
No. Oh, yeah.
Huh? Can you see the page number?
Yeah.
Very good.
Ocean. I can see the answer down. Miss, there's the answer key.
Do not look at the answer key because you are big boys now. Okay.
I know.
Iyad, can you do with me number 1? Read, please.
This water ecosystem covers much of the Earth's surface.
So the saltwater ecosystem, is it the desert?
No.
Is it the ocean?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. How did you know it's the ocean?
It has salt water.
Excellent. Yes, and what?
It covers much of the Earth.
Yes, correct. Thank you, ya Iyad. Hi, Rayyan. Can you do number 2?
Okay. The ecosystem's main plant is grass.
So, is it the desert, river, mountain,
Mountain,
or grassland?
grassland.
Are you sure? Why it's grassland? Excellent. Why it's grassland? Why it's grassland? Read the sentence again.
It's grass.
Hi, Ryan. Read the sentence again. Ryan, you are muting your mic.
Ecosystem's main plant is grass.
Excellent, because the main plant is grass, so definitely it's a grassland. Yes, ya Faris, Ra'id. Ha, Habibi. Number 3.
Yeah. This ecosystem has the cactus, a plant that stores water in its stem.
Okay, where can you find the cactus? In mountain?
5.
River?
No.
Desert?
No.
Cactus, where can you find the cactus that stores water in its stem?
Mountain.
Are you sure?
Desert.
River.
Desert. Mountain. Desert.
Okay, I hear mountain, I hear river, I hear desert. Why the plant would store water inside it? Why? Because it must be
very
dry.
hot. Because some of animals drink the water.
No, because the land is too dry and there is no much rain. So the plant needs to survive by storing the water inside the stem. Are you sure? Okay.
Desert.
Okay. Faris, again, ya Faris.
Yeah.
It stores water
Desert.
inside because it's too dry.
Not have water.
Yes, there's no water in this
Desert.
land. Excellent. So it is the desert. Where can you find the cactus? Do you know the cactus? Take a look at this plant. This plant is a cactus. You remember the plant that has so much spines?
Yeah.
This is the cactus and it lives in desert, okay? Yes, ya Muhammad Mutawakkil. Number 4, ya Muhammad.
Miss, the voice answer. No, you just said the answer.
Muhammad Mutawakkil, can you raise your voice?
Okay. Fourth one, tellers, jays, and mountain goats live in this ecosystem.
Yes. Where
Mount-
do they? Huh?
Grass river.
Huh? Stellar
Mountain.
jays and the mountain goats. Where do they live? In which ecosystem? I can't hear you, ya Muhammad.
Mountain.
Excellent. They live in the mountain.
And the second one, river. Number 5.
Okay, ya Khalid. Where is Khalid?
It is mountain because they're goats mountain.
Khalid, ya
mountain goat.
Khalid. Yes, I see you running. Now, can you do number 5? Because you did not hear your friend saying the answer. So I want you to do number 5.
Fox and their dark the fish water from this water
Ecosystem.
ecosystem.
Where can you find fresh water?
River.
Excellent, river. Well done. And please, ya Muhammad Mutawakkil, I know you know the answers. I'm very happy, but only answer your own question, okay? Thank you, Habibi. Thank you. Okay, boys, did you copy?
Now page what? Yes.
Everyone, did you copy?
Yes.
Shall we go to the next page?
Yeah.
All right. This is 160. Let's go to 161.
Yeah.
We will solve it first, and then I'm going to put for you the answers, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start. I want you to use the clues to help unscramble each word. Can you see number 1? Number 1, it's scrambled
Yeah.
letters.
Noise.
It's not a word, not a word. Do not try to read this word because it is scrambled. Now we want to do it. We want to unscramble them by what? Reading.
Ocean.
Clue. Who said the answer? Yeah. طيب يا حبيبي, read the clue for me. You have to read the clue first.
This ecosystem contains salt water.
Excellent. So who contains salt water?
The ocean.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. There is another Faris. Where are you, ya Faris Mu'taz? Faris Mu'taz. Okay, what about
Miss? Am I answering number 2?
Hudi, number 2. Can you do number 2?
The populations that live with there's number 7.
Can you raise your voice? I can't hear you, ya Habibi.
Bison and antelope roam this flat ocean system.
Ecosystem. Okay. Bison and antelope, they roam this flat ecosystem. Which ecosystem has a flat land? Maybe it's full of grass. Flat and full of grass.
Mountain.
Is the mountain flat?
I know.
Huh?
No, it's thick.
Is it flat?
And the mountains is very thick.
Okay, so who has a flat ecosystem? I'm gonna go back to
River. Grassland.
Go back. See,
Grassland.
Is it the desert, ocean, river,
Grassland.
mountain, or grassland?
Grassland. Ocean.
Fahad.
Grassland.
Excellent, ya Fahad. It's a grassland because bison needs what in the ecosystem to eat? It needs grass to eat. It needs food to survive. You have to relate. What would make an animal stay in a special ecosystem? They would stay in an ecosystem to survive. So must the ecosystem be similar to the food that they eat or the place that they sleep, okay? They must match. Number 3, who wants to
Yes,
do
I
number
know number 4.
MashaAllah, very good, ya Iyad. I'm so happy that you know all that. طيب, Jamal, do you want to do number 3, ya Jamal? Okay,
Yes.
Jamal, can you read number 3?
Number 3. Okay. The live and know things that interest in the same earth.
Okay, the living and non-living things that interact in the same area. What do I call them? The living and non-living things in one area, they interact with each other. The name of our lesson, ya Habibi. Do you know the name of our lesson?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the name of our lesson?
The live and know things about
Eco?
eco.
Eco what?
Ecosystem.
Excellent, excellent, thank you. But I was talking to Jamal. Okay, Jamal, can you say it again?
What's your answer?
Okay, swim.
Ecosystem, excellent. So the living and non-living things that interact in the same area, we call it ecosystem. Number 4, yeah.
Answer.
Who wants to answer?
Mr.
Muhammad Mandiri?
Mr. I want to go bathroom.
Yes, Habibi, you can go. Muhammad Mandili, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do number 4? Yeah, Iyad, can you send me the answer, the indirect message?
Where a plant or an animal lives.
So, where a plant or an animal lives.
Animals lives in habits.
Excellent. What do we call it again?
Habitat.
Habitat.
Habitat. Excellent, ya Iyad and ya Muhammad Mandili. Well done, well done. Okay, Muhammad Thabit, can you do number 5, ya Muhammad Thabit? What about Muhammad Mutawakkil? Can you read number 5 and try to do it, please? Quickly, quickly, boys. I will read because we don't have enough time, and you are going to try to answer.
The tails and the waters.
Cattles and water lilies live near or in this freshwater ecosystem, and maybe you can find frogs too. What ecosystem?
River.
No. Try again. Try again. Yes, the river have fresh water. That's right. But the cattleys and water lilies and sometimes frogs, where do they live? In what?
Mountain.
No, Habibi. No, ya qalbi. No. Water lilies and frogs, where do they live? In which ecosystem? Start with a P.
Ocean.
Fresh water.
Pond.
Pond. Excellent. So water lilies and frogs, where do they live?
Pond.
Pond. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, Umar, ya Umar, open your camera and try to do this with me.
Okay.
Living and non-living things that surround you or surround living things. Huh? They're not interacting with each other, so they are not an ecosystem. I want only the living and non-living around you. If they are surround a living thing, what do we call it? Who knows? Huh? Hi, Faris.
Yeah.
Huh?
Environment.
Yeah.
Excellent. Who said environment, Iyad?
Yeah.
Well done,
Yes.
Iyad. Well done. So all the living things and non-living things that they are surround you, all around you, we call it environment. What about the populations? See? Populations that live in one place. So I have not only one population, I have too many.
Nations.
Populations, what do I call them all together?
Community.
Yes, excellent, community, because population, one population means one kind. But if I have populations, so many of them, I have too many kinds. So it is community. What about number 8? Plants and animals that can survive with little water. They live in this ecosystem. Hi, Fahad. They need only little water.
Desert.
Allah.
Hi, Fahad. What do I call it?
Ocean.
Really? They can
Desert.
live little water, ya Fahad. Only little.
River. River.
Are you sure? They are plants and animals can survive the
Desert.
dry land
Miss
with little water.
Desert.
Hi, Fahad.
Desert.
Excellent to the desert. Excellent to the desert. Desert only need little water. What about number 9? All of one type of organism in the same place. Huh?
Population.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. Thank you. Population. Please give a chance to your friends, okay? Number 10. Finally, number 10. Remember, guys, the jaguars, toucans, and monkeys. Where do they live? They live in this ecosystem. Where?
In the ecosystem.
Do they live in the forest or the desert?
Yes.
Okay, a normal forest or something?
A normal forest.
Mountain.
Yes, you are in what? Mountain. You are not
They
number.
live in the rainforest. Where do monkeys and toucans live?
The rainforest.
Yes, and sometimes we call it a jungle. Walking in the jungle. Remember the song? Yes. All right, guys, you have the answer key over here. I'm going to give you a minute to write, okay?
I did
Miss-
until
I will
1,
pause the
2,
recording
3,
until
4,
you finish.
5, and 8. Yes, I did all only. I did
Midnight. I still have to work.
All right. I'm waiting.
I will finish now.
Okay, Habibi, I'm waiting.
I am the last one, number 10. You can screenshot it.
Yes, you can make it screenshots.
I finished. Miss, I'm the last one.
طيب يا ماما. Okay.
Miss, I am in number 7.
a screen.
Miss,
Or just write the right letters next to it.
Okay, for the rest of you, go to the next page, 162. 162.
I
Everyone?
finished.
Very good. 162 and answer the questions. Please try to read and answer the questions. Hi Fahad, done?
No.
Quickly, يا ماما.
Miss, I'm number 10.
I'm number 9.
Finish, boys?
No.
I finished.
I have only 7 minutes, so we need to go to the next page.
Miss,
Yes,
I'm in number 9.
Miss, I am number 9.
Morning.
Me, I finish.
Miss, I finished page 162.
Very good. Okay, I'm very sorry. We need to move on. Really sorry.
Miss, I'm number 10.
Okay, it's a rainforest. I think you can write it down or you can find it over there in the pages.
Or just screenshot.
I finished.
Okay. In what kind of ecosystem would you find these living things? I want you to write the name of the area underneath
page.
each one. Where can you find clownfish? Where can you find
I finished the page. Ocean.
ocean? Excellent. What about alligator? Alligator. Where?
Rainforest.
The lake.
Very good. What about the fish? This fish.
And the
Ocean.
ocean. And the ocean.
Only in the ocean or somewhere else? Maybe in a fresh
Ocean.
water,
Maybe in a lake.
in a lake or a river. Excellent.
Pond.
The zebra. Where can you find the zebra?
The forest.
Grassland.
Grassland.
Desert.
Excellent. What about cactus?
Desert.
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 Toucan. Huh? We just did this. Toucan and a monkey.
Mountain.
No, toucan and a monkey. Where can you
Jungle.
find them?
Jungle.
Come
Jungle.
on, guys. See, number 10. Jaguars, toucan, and
Rainforest.
monkeys. Yes.
Forest.
Forest. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, you can write them down. That was everything for today. I'm going to close the recording, give you the rest of the time for writing. Okay, boys?
You already write it.
Yes. I'm going to stop recording. Bye-bye, recording.
Bye-bye.
Bye.